Saturday. Well, it's Sunday for you, but it's Saturday for me. It is almost 10 a.m. and I just got out of bed. I originally woke up this morning at 5. My husband's alarm went off so he could go hunting, and it woke me up. And I was awake for about an hour and a half feeling like crap. Super dizzy, not feeling well at all, upset stomach. I don't know what that was about, but I forced myself back to sleep finally and just now got back up, and I'm feeling a little bit better. Not nearly as dizzy, but that was unpleasant. So hopefully that's behind me and I can spend the rest of the day not feeling like that. But that's why I kind of slept in so late, because I was up for a little bit. But it's Saturday, like I said, and I have about 15 different things arriving in the mail today, different packages and stuff, Christmas shopping, that sort of thing. So I'm sticking pretty close to home today so that I can be here to intercept all those packages and get them tucked away. Just got some cleaning and stuff to do, not anything super exciting. I showed you guys in yesterday's vlog that while we were out and about shopping yesterday, Robbie cleaned up the living room for me. He actually cleaned up the kitchen too. I didn't show that. He did all of the Thanksgiving dishes and made the house look really nice. So there's not a ton to do. Just gotta pick up again, and a few odds and ends in the kitchen just from last night. But gonna do that, work on laundry. The boys are gonna get their bedrooms clean today. I gotta make soup because I never got around to making our Thanksgiving soup yesterday, so I'm gonna do that today. And then Robbie's got an indoor soccer game this evening, so that's sort of a rundown of what the day is going to look like. Not super exciting, but hopefully you guys will enjoy coming along with me. I need to sit down and have a cup of coffee, work on editing yesterday's vlog, and that'll take up the rest of the morning most likely. So Eric's off hunting. I have no idea when to expect him. It's the last day of gun season today, so hopefully he's able to be successful. I guess we'll see, but anyways, hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll check in with you guys in a bit. Alright, I thought I would give you guys a little look at the mess I got going on. I'm about to start up some YouTube videos to keep me company while I clean. That is not typically here. That's a floor jack. We got that for Eric for Christmas. It's actually going to go out in the shed, and I'm just going to wrap the box because it's so heavy. So he's going to take that out to the shed, but got that for him. So that won't be here for very long. Obviously I have to fix the couch a little bit. Got my breakfast. This is not terrible. I've got some laundry to do, and then just essentially just tidy up. Like I said, Robbie did most of the dishes. Most of these here on the stove are clean. They just have to be put away. Have to take care of the roaster, which I don't blame him for not wanting to do. The rest of this is just my mess from this morning. Well, this was last night. Eric made oatmeal, but it's really not bad. I'm going to have Robbie empty the dishwasher, and then I'm going to take care of the rest of the kitchen for him, which I know he'll appreciate since he was so sweet yesterday. And then I got a bunch of crap back there to take care of, but some of that is Christmas decorations for the kids' rooms, which they need to clean their rooms today. I'm not going to show you their rooms because they are complete and utter disaster areas, but I'm going to turn on some YouTube to keep me company while I get everything cleaned up. This is the before. I'll show you guys the after. Alright, you guys, so everything is all cleaned back up. This whole mess is just air drying, and then I'm going to put this away. The roaster oven goes back together and out into the shed. This is my little silicone mat for under my coffee maker, so that's got to be put back together once that's done. The crock pot goes in the cabinet over there, just waiting for all of that to dry. This has all been cleaned off. It just needs to be put back together. To the viewer, I can't remember your name, I'm sorry, who watched my kitchen tour video and said that I should turn my knives the other way so as not to injure myself. They actually don't fit this way. because of the backsplash here. And so this will have to be raised up, I think, in order to do that. So for now, they're gonna stay like this. And we'll discuss the possibility of raising that up with my husband so that we can turn the knives the other way. She was concerned about me going to grab a knife and cutting myself, but I will say that the points of the knives are down towards the backsplash, so I'm not sure that would really be a problem, but something to discuss with my husband, see what he thinks. We may end up making that change, but I really appreciate your concern for my safety. Thank you for that. So yeah, the dishwasher is not quite full, so we're not going to run it yet. Once I am done making soup, which is the next thing on my list, once this is all dried, I'll be able to run it. But kitchen is all put back together for the most part, except for those few things that are drying, and everything is clean again. So that's good. Living room is also in pretty good shape. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Do you ever wear clothes?
No.
He's never wears a shirt. Sorry, guys. That offends you. This is all put back together except for that Jack's thing that I was telling you guys about earlier. So yeah, I'm in good shape. Next I gotta edit, and then we're gonna make soup. So Robbie's putting together lunch. What are you making?
Mac and cheese and then chicken patties.
Yum.
I'm doing the prep work for the mac and cheese, getting all the mixing done. That way I can just pour it in and stir it up easier instead of having to deal with all the powder and having to get that all absorbed.
Excellent. All right.
I do things a strange way.
So once we've had lunch and the kitchen's kind of cleaned back up, I'm gonna make soup. Are you excited about the soup? Are you looking forward to it?
I don't really care for a turkey noodle soup.
It's not your favorite? It's my favorite part of Thanksgiving.
I prefer our ham soup.
Well, I like our ham soup too, but that's after Easter. So it's like a ham and potato soup.
Well, you know what we should make?
What?
We should make prime rib soup. No, there's never any of that left
I don't
over.
think that's a thing. Yeah.
It could be a thing.
I guess it could be.
It's not. It wouldn't be that hard. How much of a stick of butter is half a cup?
Read it. It says right down there.
4? Wait. I need. Okay, so 1 stick of butter is that much.
Look at how much macaroni and cheese Robbie just brought me. There is enough here for like 4 grown men. Holy cow, there's no way I'm gonna eat all of this.
I divided it up into 3 servings.
Thank you, Robbie. Wow, that's a lot. Alright, we are getting ready to finally make the soup. So I have my celery, my carrots, my onions. All I am going to do is peel and chop these. I have shown my soup recipe on my channel many times. Honestly, you probably could look at last year's Vlogmas and find it. I'm not going to share it again, but yeah, I'm going to get this soup going. It's super easy, it comes together quick, and it's delicious. Alright, so there's the base for the soup. It is turkey, celery, onion, and carrot. I just cut up some of the breast and some of the dark meat from the turkey. I'm going to top it off with some chicken broth. And that's pretty much it until just before we're about to eat, I'll add egg noodles. That is our Thanksgiving soup. Alright, soup's done. Few too many noodles, I think, but we used what was left in the pantry. Robbie added the noodles for me.
Too many noodles.
He likes it noodly, so. Alright, let's eat. Alright, you guys, so I am holed up in my bedroom about to wrap a bunch of gifts. And I think what I'm going to do is film little clips of everything that I am wrapping. And then either on Christmas or right after Christmas, I will post a what I got my kids for Christmas video. I know it's not super helpful to have it up after Christmas. In terms of like gift ideas, but I really don't want to spoil the surprise for my kids. I don't know if they're going to watch the videos, and I figure some of you will still be curious to see what I got my kids, and it can always help out for you know, next Christmas for people to get gift ideas. So I think that's how I'm going to do it this year. Typically I just kind of show in my Christmas vlog the kids showing off what they got, but I think this way I can give a little bit more detail about everything and talk about some of the sales and deals and stuff. So let me know if you guys are interested in that video. But for now, I'm just going to wrap up a few things and get them under the tree so that I don't have to continue to hide them here in my bedroom. So that is what I'm doing next. Alright, the first gift of Christmas has officially been wrapped, and it's ready to go under the tree. I got this wrapping paper at Menards, by the way. I'm using this one, which is sort of like a silver with snowflakes. I'm just wrapping here on my bed. You're seeing my sheet behind there. I also got this one from Dollar Tree, which is this gorgeous blue, and it just says things like joy, Noel, peace. And then the other one from Menards is this one, which says joy to the world in a lighter shade of blue. So it'll coordinate with my blue Christmas tree. So that's done. Still have a few more things I can wrap, but already my back's killing me. So we're going to take a break. I'll check in with you guys in a bit. You guys, this is so sweet. So if you aren't following me on Instagram, you wouldn't know, but we lost our chinchilla Hagrid a couple of weeks ago. And when it was pretty clear that he was sick, we put him in the car and we were driving him to the emergency vet to get looked at. Unfortunately, he passed away before we made it there. So when we got there, essentially we just took him in and he was declared, you know, deceased. But they sent us a sympathy card. So they sent us a little sympathy card, and all of the members of the staff signed it and left special little notes talking about our loss of Hagrid. So I thought that that was very sweet. We took him to the Animal Emergency Center on Novi Road in Novi, which is quite a trek for us from where we are. It's a pretty long drive, but that was the only place that we could find that was open after hours for emergency situations for small animals. You know, lots of places for cats and dogs, but nowhere that we could find besides this place for like exotic small animals. So very, very thoughtful. If you are in the area and you are looking for, ever find yourself in a situation where you need an emergency vet for a little critter, highly recommend this place. They were so thoughtful and nice.